nii, järgmiseks räägib meile Jan Pisek, palun.
Hi, my name is Jan Pisek. I'm Associate Professor of Remote Sensing at Tartu Observatory, and I'm mostly dealing with obtaining information about vegetation without coming in direct contact with it. This work involves work in the field or in the lab with laser scanning data or the satellite images, full scale that I can cover. And if anything of that or something like that would interest you, I'm pretty much sure we will find some topic that would work for you, that would be of interest or benefit to you as well as to me. So why you might have to take topic with me. So the first thing, it will allow you to work with exciting technology. I'm also cooperating on the projects that are funded by NASA, which would be very good for your CV. All the work that I and my students do is useful. I can guarantee you that if you work on something, it will just not be something that will end up in a shelf, but they'll be published and they'll be of benefit to the others as well. All the theses that I have supervised so far have resulted in articles, which is again good for your CV. On my slide, you can find a link to sample thesis or topics that you could work on, but of course it's not limited to this. And we can find something that would interest both you and me as well. So if you are interested, please get in touch with me. Thank you very much for your interest.